لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله ما لنا رب سواه.
Mantasha from class 9 to present us welcome speech with his beautiful poetry. आप आए तो बहारों ने लुटाई खुशबू, आप आए तो बहारों ने लुटाई खुशबू, फूल तो फूल कांटों से भी आई खुशबू. So please Mantasha Khan come on the stage. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I Mantasha Khan would like to welcome you all to the closing ceremony of Step the Genius through the creative memory and mind management. We are really very thankful that you all are joining us on this occasion. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks, especially the chief guest, Dr. D.P. Singh, National Awarded Master Trainer, Center of Excellence, CBSC, New Delhi. And the guest of honor, Zakir Khazanso, Advocate Supreme Court, to give their time for our school. So now, in this program, you all will witness that how our trainer has enhanced the skills of his genius students. I would like to praise our international trainer, Mr. Zafar Mahmood sir, to conduct the series powerful, amazing, and brain-holding demonstration from his trained students with his couplers. किसी को बेसबब शोहरत नहीं मिलती है वाहिद, किसी को बेसबब शोहरत नहीं मिलती है वाहिद, उन्हीं के नाम है दुनिया में जिनके काम अच्छे हैं. So, to introduce this eminent, prominent and mind-blowing international trainer, Mr. Zafar Mahmood sir, and our guest, I would like to invite Principal sir to come on the dais and hold the mic.
Cuba International School, Usrata Azad Shahgan Jaunpur is a strikingly outstanding English medium school of its kind, which aims not only to provide students with academic knowledge but also groom children with moral values and good characteristics in the light of Islamic teachings and studies.